Shri Kunti or Kunti is the primary or the most ancient logo, if we can call it, in the Gaudiya Sampradaya. The history being Chandkazi during the first Sankirtan and the public Sankirtan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu conferred it to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a sign of, say for example, a no objection certificate that from now on nobody is going to stop our Sankirtan, and as a sign, or you can say that is called a Jayapatra, the Shrikunti, which is a half crescent shaped diagram with the Gaudiya Tilak painted in between, was produced, and from then onwards that became the sign of our first logo of the Sankirtan movement. Coming down to 20th century with the formation of Gaudiya Mission, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada instituted in his logo the features of both Bhagavad and Pancharatrika Parampara Vidhi of worship. On the basic circle, which is like the realm of Golok Vrindavan, it was divided to the left and the right hand side with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on the top representing our worshipable Lord. To the right side we see Bhagavad Marg, which is the process of Shravan Kirtan, the 9 limbs of Bhakti, on the Raga platform, on the spontaneous platform. That was symbolized by Srimad Bhagavatam, and also Amridanga, our main instrument for Kirtan. Along with that, Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur also instituted the symbol of printing press, which is the Brihat Mridanga, symbolizing the Kirtan, which is to be spread all over the world, not just by beating it, but also by speaking it, the message of Gita and Bhagavatam being also Kirtan. On the left hand side, we see the Vidhi Marg symbolized by Archana. That's why we see Lakshmi Narayan seated over a golden throne, which symbolizes formality, regal and a more formal approach to worship. There we can also find symbols of lamp and ringing bell. Whereas the Pancharatrika Vidhi is supposed to be the Vidhi Marg, or the formal way of worshipping Radha Krishna, which is the mood of Lakshmi Narayan. The right hand side, where the Bhagavad Marg, Radha Krishna is worshipped with the Yuga Dharma of Sankirtan. On the bottom, we see the emblem of our school, the Gaudiya Vaishnava school, which is the Gaudiya Tilak. The whole logo is like the world of the lotus. Lotus being symbolic to our original home, Golok Vrindavan. So Gaudiya Mission logo can be seen from the top view, and it shows what the logo would be from the top. So the same logo, when seen from a side view, from a distance, can be seen like a lotus shaped logo, is exactly what Prabhupada instituted for his institution, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Therefore, it is a continuous tradition on the parampara, and also the philosophical understanding being the same. So that's why Prabhupada focused on the message, on the slogan, back home, back to Godhead. No wonder that Shastra says that Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Vrindavanam tyajam padam ekam na gacchati. And therefore, we see all our deities on the lotus, or basically symbolizing that they have never left Golok Vrindavan. So that explains our logo.